Where's the seatbelt?
See, the older you get, the more cautious you become,
Oh,
I think.
never.
Yeah.
With summer in full swing, it's easy to want to play outside and enjoy the weather.
But you know, it's also easy to overdo it and get hurt. You hear that? Sandra is here with some tips on how we can all stay safe.
That's right, Bob. Be careful, whatever you do. And there's nothing worse, of course, than spoiling a summer vacation or trip or a day out in the sun, you know, with a twisted ankle or achy back. So we talked to a top orthopedic surgeon who treats professional athletes right here in Los Angeles. And he gave us some tips on how to enjoy summer injury-free. So first I asked him about the most common complaints he gets from patients this time of year.
We see a lot of muscle strains, like a strain of the calf muscle, kind of a strain of the hamstring, and sometimes straining their shoulder if they're trying to lift things or throwing too much, or sometimes swimming in the ocean or in the pools. So we see a lot of strains of the tendons around the joints.
So Dr. Jason Snibbe says to prevent a trip to the doctor or to the ER, take a moment before being active to prep yourself for whatever you're doing.
The most important thing about being active this summer is really trying to warm up your body. I think injuries happen when you start exercising right off the bat intensely. So spending some time stretching, working on your flexibility, hamstrings, your lower back, and then warming up, starting slowly, warm up your body so the blood starts flowing in your tendons and your ligaments. So that really, a warm up really prevents a lot of injury that we see, especially with the weekend warriors during the summer.
That's right. And also for kids, make sure parents are mindful of them overdoing it, because injuries can happen from overuse of joints or the same muscles over and over. So it's good to have a variety of activities and to take breaks for rest and stretching. As for workouts, this is really interesting. For people on weight loss drugs or diabetes medication, bone loss and muscle loss is a big side effect. So he says resistance training and weightlifting is crucial and critical to make sure you maintain that healthy strength over the summer. Back to you guys.